We will now look at stage 4 rotational PVC. And basically there's no video here because um, you have already a lot of training. But let's just go through these directions. And it says using the following video, and that was, I should say, the previous video, calculate the radius, sine, and cosine functions. So we're just going to download the PVC experiment movie. Then we want to set the origin near my hand. We're going to use a meter stick as our calibration device. We want to upload a screenshot of your origin and scale, and then track the PVC fitting. Upload the experiment and take your data to Microsoft Excel via graphical. And then we're going to save the Excel spreadsheet to the appropriate folder there for rotating PVC. Then we want to calculate our radius, and then we want to calculate the sine, cosine, and plot both the sine and the cosine, and then submit the link. So here we go. We need to go to Dropbox. And go to rotating PVC, and here is the video that we're going to use. So in this particular case, we're just going to use this one time, so I'm just going to bring this down in the app. There we go. Let's just take it to video physics. And of course, the very first thing that we are going to do is to change the name. So I just selected on this I, and now we'll change the name. After that, let's just go back into the video, and of course we want to calibrate. So we're going to use, if we just look at the video real quick, you'll see that my hand is moving a little bit, but that's pretty much where we're going to place our origin. So we want the origin near my fingers, like so. And then we're going to scale this. In this case, we don't necessarily use 10 centimeters. We use the entire meter stick. So 551 pixels is going to represent this meter stick. And of course, if we want to go in and look a little bit closer, we'll do it just like so. And we can see everything is set. Now, take a snapshot, of course. We're going to go ahead and upload that to our folder. Go back to the experiment and let's plot some points. So the PVC is right here. It's just a blur right now. So I'm just going to center. I'm going to try to hit the middle center each time. And there we go. Kind of looks a little invisible. You'll know you'll notice that I always try to go in pretty close here. In other words, magnify. Notice that I'm not trying to stick with the point. I'm trying to stay in the middle center. And I'm trying to get as many points as I possibly can. You can barely see it in some areas, but all you can do is just make your best guess at that point. All right, that looks like that's the end of the video. So I'll go ahead and share this. And once I share this, we'll come back and we will analyze this data. Share it with Dropbox. It should not go into physics lectures. Still carrying my name, but it should go into number 4 here, rotating PVC. So I'll choose that folder and then save it there.